So the first thing you want to do if you're going to change web pages is go to the storefront, and then in the storefront there's a little section for the blog and for the web pages. So to add a blog, you just go here, create a page, or you can go in and you can edit a current page. I'm going to delete this because it's not an actual blog post, but if you hit add, here's the title, body, author is optional, tags. I would put in tags that are related to keywords you're trying to get, an image like a thumbnail, and then again the SEO portion is what keywords you're trying to rank for, which should be similar to the title. Down here you'll see the web pages. Here's the privacy policy, subscriptions. Subscriptions page is currently invisible. If we go to the fragrance shop, we just hit edit of the fragrance shop, and then on this page, this is technically a category, so this is not a normal page that we would see, but if we go to other web pages like the shop all, the subscriptions, home, here's the event space. So you just click into one of those and it'll show up like this. Here's the book now, right, with a hyperlink to where they can schedule a booking. You can center any of these things. You can see all the images as they show up. A lot of this is, the images section has been coded so that they show up as a block, right, with 3 images at a time. But you can totally change anything in here or after this. Would be pretty easy. The same thing kind of goes for like the about page, right? If I hit edit here, here's the image, right? And all I did was I selected that I wanted to paste or insert an image. You can insert a YouTube link, link to a store, insert an embedded media, which would be more like a video, inserting an image, inserting a YouTube video, and or you can change fonts. You can change the size of the font. Here's the address and everything. So yeah, that's as easy as that is. Let us know what questions come up specifically for any pages that you have questions about, and then we'll go from there.